In this short video, I will tell you all the basics you need to know about using an overlock machine. I am going to tell you how they work and how to get started. Welcome to Happy Sewing! We are using this brother for the 234D overlocker. If you don't have this machine, you should still watch the video. Even though there is different names and labels on these machines, they are usually very much alike. So let's take a look at an overlock machine. At the top is the thread tree. Its job is to guide the thread from the 4 thread spools and in the machine. You extend the tree by pulling it. You adjust the thread tension on these dials. These threads are in the same order on all of my overlock machines. Yellow is left needle, green is right needle, pink is for upper looper, blue is for lower looper. You lift and lower the presser foot on this handle. This is where you choose the stitch length. Lower for shorter stitches, higher for longer stitches. This is the stitch width and this is the foot pressure adjuster. And this is the differential feed. Inside these machines you usually find rooms to store some important tools. In this machine you can store tweezers, a screwdriver, and there is also a pack of needles. Let me show you how fast and easy it is to thread these machines. I prefer to start with the lower looper. I place the thread in the thread spool and guide the threading through the thread tree. I thread it through the guide and pass the blue tension disc. Then I follow the blue lines and the 8 threading points. I slide the lower looper to the right, then I thread it around here and through here. I push the looper back in place and place the thread behind the machine. That's the lower looper. Let's do the upper looper. The first steps is the same for the upper looper. I guide it through the tension disc and through the 7 threading points. Then we thread it through the eye of the upper looper. We pull it to the left and under the pressure foot. Then we start with the left needle. We pull it through the thread tree and through the tension disc. We follow the yellow marks here and pull it through the left side of the separator. I place the thread into the needle threader. I then make sure that the switch over my finger is placed on L. Then I push the threader down. Lastly, I place the thread under the pressure foot and back. The last thread is for the right needle. Over the thread tree, through the disc, we follow the green pathway and place it on the right side of the separator. I then place it in the needle threader and flip the switch to right. I pull the threader down and guide the thread under the pressure foot and backwards. We place both of the threads behind the guide bar. Then I cut all the threads. We are finally ready to sew. So, the overlock machines isn't that difficult to understand or operate. I hope this video was helpful. If you missed something, please let me know. Please consider subscribing to Happy Sewing and please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!